No matter if you're a professional or home cook, no matter how seasoned your skillet is, sometimes fish skin just sticks. So we've got a hack, it's parchment paper. Bakers have been using it for years to keep cookies from sticking to pans. Now we're using it for perfectly crispy skin on fish. We just need a little bit of oil. We want to preheat on medium high or about 350 degrees. We're just going to take our fish, set it right on the parchment paper so we can see the size. We're aiming for 1/2 inch all the way around. Right here, we're going to cut and trim to shape, and then we'll get the parchment paper in the pan to get cooking. Now that we've got this, it can go right down in the pan. Oil's underneath it already. We can see the contact is holding it down. We want a little bit of oil on top of that so the skin actually fries a touch. We're going to season the fish, skin side and flesh side. Get the skin side down. You can see it wants to curl up. Keep a nice even, light pressure, not hard. So a little bit of pressure right here is gonna keep us from getting that soggy pocket in the middle. It'll be a nice, even, crispy skin. Now we're just gonna let it cruise. It's gonna cook 80% on one side before we flip it. That's a good sign. It's just sliding around on the parchment paper. So I'm gonna give this about 30 more seconds and we're gonna kill the heat and flip it. Flip it over and let it finish cooking off the heat. At this point, it's just gonna sit there, carry over, gently cook the flesh. Boom, dang. Perfectly crispy. Beautiful skin, we got a crispy crust around the outside, nothing sticking here. Beautiful crispiness, edge to edge.
Subscribe to our channel and visit ChefSteps.com for more tips, recipes, guides, and tools to help you level up in the kitchen.